In this video, I'll show you how to use a free Gmail automation tool built with Google Sheets and AppScript. Let's explore its amazing features. Total emails, unread emails, filter by keyword, send Gmail summary, clean mail, old plus spam, reload old spam emails, forward emails by keyword. Let's walk through these features step by step. Total emails. First, let's check the total number of emails. Click the button and you'll see all your emails, including the sender, subject, and date. Unread emails. Next, click the Unread Emails button. A new sheet will show all unread emails. For instance, if you have 500 unread emails, they'll appear here. You can even open an email directly from Google Sheets by clicking the provided link. Filter by keyword. With the Filter by Keyword button, you can find specific emails. Simply enter a keyword, Lord icon, click OK, and you'll see the filtered results for your unread emails. Send Gmail summary. The Send Gmail summary feature sends a report directly to your inbox. After clicking the button, you'll receive a summary email in your Gmail account. Be sure to check your inbox to confirm that the report was sent successfully. Clean mail, old plus spam. This feature helps you clean up old and spam emails. First, reload old or spam emails by clicking the Reload Old/Spam Emails button. Then, click the Clean Mail button. A sidebar named Gmail Cleanup will appear. There are no spam emails right now. I'll proceed to delete all old emails. With just one click, all old emails will be permanently removed. Forward emails by keyword. Finally, the Forward Emails by Keyword feature allows you to forward emails that match a specific keyword. For example, enter the keyword outright to find matching emails, then input the recipient's email address to forward all relevant emails. All selected emails will be forwarded successfully. Want to try it yourself? You can access the free app's script code by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope this Gmail automation tool helps you save time and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.